Hello, this is my Chapter 6 video problem number 35. Find the inverse of f of x equals to 1/2 x minus 7. Determine whether the inverse is a function and state its domain and range. So first, you would like to find its inverse. Find its inverse. So then you would change f of x equals to I, okay, and rewrite the function, the original function. Then you would like to switch the x and y. So it would be x equal to 1/2 y minus 7. Then add 7 to both sides. X plus 7 equals to 1/2 y. You can multiply 2 to both sides. That would end up with 2 times x plus 7 equals to y. So y would equal to 2x plus 14. So the inverse would be f of x equal to 2x plus 14. This would be your inverse. Now you need to find its domain and range. Now before you do that, you have to figure out whether the inverse function is a function. So use the original function here and graph it. So on the graph here, you can see that the original function and the inverse would be a function. Next, you need to find the domain and range. So you plug in the inverse function. There it is. Now, to know whether it is symmetric, you can put y equals to x. Now you can see that both functions are symmetric. So now you can determine what the domain and range is. So the domain would be R for all real numbers, and the range would also be R for all real numbers. Thank you very much. Please correct me if I'm wrong.